Okay, as you can see in the chart, it is called GME and its full name was GameStop. You may heard this in 2021. It's the biggest runner in 2021 and it's chart from $5. Mainly it is $20 because it's done a 4-to-1 reverse split. That means they decrease the price and increase the outstanding. So it's 5 into 4 is 20. So it starts from 20 to 120. It means more than 2000 percentage. It's actually 120 into 4, that's $500. So it's 2263 percentage in inside 2 weeks. So this is the first runner, and when we go for the second one is AMC. It's chart from $6.6 to $44. It was run in the same year 2021, and when we go for 2022, it is BBY. It's chart from $5 to $30. So what's the main fundamental reason behind this? Behind this spike or behind this parabolic move? It's mainly come from the squeeze. What I mean by squeeze is short squeeze. That if a stock have a very bad news, people tend to short this stock by massively. When people tend to short this stock, there is the short float gonna be increased. What I mean by short float is, for example, if a company or a stock have 10 share and 6 of them were shorted, that means 16% of the stock were shorted. It means the short float is 16%. And whenever they start to cover the position, it's a buying pressure. Whenever the shorts starts to cover, it's a buying pressure. So and when the stock dump massively by downwards and there is some good news come, people tends to buy the stock, and the people who already shorted, they start to cover the stock. So there is two buying pressure, and that's the main reason all these stocks get squeezed. When it's come to GME, when I briefly explain about this, it's happened mainly because of the hedge funds starts to short the stock. Hedge funds start to short the stock massively, and then a group of people in Reddit called Wall Street Bets, they start to buy the stocks. And after they start to buy the stocks going upside by little, then the hedge fund starts to cover their position, millions of position. They have a lot of cash, hedge funds, and that's why it's squeezed like from $20 to $500 in a few weeks. Same in AMC and same in BBY. There is a lot of short float and people starts to cover, short starts to cover, and people starts to buying the stock again. And that's how this is called squeeze. So you may ask me, how can I find the short float of the stock? How can I find it? For that, we are going for a website called Finviz, and from here we are going for screener, and from here we can see the float short, and we can choose like short float that we want. So I'm going for about 30%. That means from, if there example there is 10 share, 3 of them were shorter, more than 3 of them were shorter. That means over 30% is shorter. So let's see AMAM. There is 34% of the stock were shorter. AMAM. So whenever it starts to get some really good news, the people who shorted the 34%, they start to cover. When they start to cover, it will be a huge buying pressure. So the new people who buy at the news and people who already short, and they start to cover. So that's how this pattern gonna work in 2023. So for in 2023, you need to look at the biggest short stock, and after that make a watch list, and after that look at the good news. If there is any good news coming for the stock, then I'm going for the stock. So this is the video today. I hope you like. Thank you.